हमारा टॉपिक द मुगल एम्पायर, क्लास 7th, सब्जेक्ट हिस्ट्री। जहांगीर 1605 से लेकर 1627 तक। मिलिट्री कमांड स्टार्टेड बाय अकबर कंटिन्यूड। द सिसोदिया रूलर ऑफ मेवाड़ Amar Singh accepted Mughal service, less successful campaign against the Sikhs. The Muhammads and Ahmednagar followed. Prince Khurram, the future Emperor Emperor Shah Jahan, rebelled in last years of his region. The efforts of Noor Jahan, Jahangir's wife, to marginalize him were unsuccessful. Shah Jahan 1627-1658. Mughal campaign continued in the Deccan under Shah Jahan. The Akbar noble Khan Jahan Lodi rebelled and was defeated. Campaigns were launched against Ahmednagar. The Bandals were defeated and Orcha seized in the northwest. The campaign to seize Balakh from the Uzbeks was unsuccessful and Kandahar was lost to Safavids. In 1632, Ahmednagar was finally annexed and the Bijapur force sued for peace. In 1657-1658, there was conflict over succession amongst Shah Jahan's sons. Aurangzeb was victorious and his three brothers, including Dara Sukhu, were killed. Shah Jahan was imprisoned for the rest of his life in Agra. Aurangzeb. In the northeast, the Ahmads were defeated in 1663 but rebelled again in 1680. Campaigns in the northwest against the Yusufzai and the Sikhs were temporarily successful. Mughal intervention in the succession and internal politics of the Rathor Rajputs of Marwar led to the rebellion. Campaigns against the Maratha chieftain Shivaji were initially successful, but Aurangzeb insulted Shivaji, who escaped from Agra, declared himself an independent king, and resumed his command against the Mughals. Prince Akbar rebelled against Aurangzeb and received support from the Marathas and the Deccan Sultanate. He finally fled Safeda. After Akbar's rebellion, Aurangzeb sent armies against the Deccan Sultanate. Bijapur was annexed in 1635 and Golconda in 1687. From 1698, Aurangzeb personally managed campaigns in the Deccan against the Marathas, who started guerrilla warfare. Aurangzeb also had to face the rebellion in North India of the Sikhs, Jatis and Satnamas, in the northeast of the Ayumas, and in Deccan of the Marathas. His death was followed by succession conflict against his sons. बेटा मुझे उम्मीद है टॉपिक आपको समझ आया होगा। इसको अपने घर में 1-2 बार रीड कीजिएगा ताकि आपको पूरा समझ आ जाए। और हमें आसपास माहौल में सफाई रखनी है, अपने घरों में सफाई रखनी है। कुछ खाने से पहले अपने हाथों को धोना है और बाहर जाते समय अपने मुंह को मास्क से ढकना है और भीड़ भाड़ इलाके में नहीं जाना है, क्योंकि हमको पता है आज कौन सी बीमारी फैली हुई है, कोरोना वायरस। इससे हमें बचना है। अल्लाह आपको खुश रखे, सलामत रखे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।